Yeah, so we've got a row of panels going along the bottom here. Panel going there. May put another one at the top there. Got a portrait panel there, and then 2 landscape panels here. As you can see, we started getting everything out. New Aiko panels are down there, and yeah, we'll bring you back with an update. Start putting the hooks in, and I'll show you where the battery and inverter's going. So all the rails on, other than at the top there, but yeah, no, just doing that side round there. And you can see here we've just cut the back of the tile out there to make sure the tile sit flat. Yeah, so end of day one, we've got isolator, everything comes down trunking, power cables, all earthed, and then these are the PV cables ready for tomorrow, ready to go up on the roof. So it's day 2 now. All got all the panels on yesterday, but I absolutely hammered it down, so we didn't get a chance to get any footage. But these are the new Aiko 455 panels, built-in shading. As you can see, they're pretty slick, all nice and black. Just got to cut the rail down there, cut the rail down there, end caps, and then bird-proof all the way around. And same round here. So you got cut the end caps off and put the bird-proof on. There we go, guys, all on, all the bird proofing on, capping. It looks amazing, to be honest. As you can see, everything's sort of blacked out, but the bird proof over the hook, over the rail. Yeah, at the moment it's generating around 5.6 kilowatts, this array. Yeah, all finished. There we go, guys, all done. SLD, handover pack, paperwork, a couple of cable ties on the pos and neg. There and there, a little bit of loop, but yeah, all done there. Lovely.